this is Madhuri. Welcome back to another session of Science at Your Tips. So today onwards we are going to discuss about NCERT chemistry. So in this session we are going to see about some of the questions of 10th class NCERT 10th class chemistry questions. So here we have one question. Why should magnesium ribbon cleaned before burning in air? So this experiment we are going to do to understand about combination reaction when magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. To write balanced equation, we are writing here 2 Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2 MgO. This experiment we are doing to understand about combination reaction, right? But here, whenever you take magnesium ribbon, every time what we are doing, with the help of a sandpaper, we are going to rub it onto the magnesium ribbon. What is the reason for that? When magnesium is stored, it is going to react with the atmospheric oxygen and it forms a layer of magnesium oxide on that. So to remove that magnesium oxide layer, first of all we have to rub that, then only we have to use it for our activity. Otherwise what happens, it will take more time for burning. So that is why we have to clean it before burning, right? So here we have another question. A solution of the substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula and write the reaction of the substance X with the water. So what is this X? In whitewashing, what is the substance we use? The substance is known as quicklime, and what is the formula of it? We will say that one as a chemical name as calcium oxide. So we can write the formula as CaO. CaO is a formula, and what is the name? Calcium oxide or quicklime, right? And second question what we have, write the reaction of the substance X with the water. So what we said, the substance X is nothing but calcium oxide, quicklime. So this quicklime, calcium oxide, reacts with the water, and we are going to get here slaked lime. What is a slaked lime? Slaked lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is known as slaked lime, or otherwise we can say lime water. So the answer for the first question is calcium oxide or quicklime, and answer for the second question is CaO plus H2O gives rise to CaOH taken twice. Let us see another question here. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron rod is dipped in it? So if you observe this activity, copper sulfate we have to dissolve in the water. Then after that, iron rod, when it is dipped in that, we can observe that copper deposition is going to take place on iron, because here iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. So that is why it displaces copper from copper sulfate. So that is why we are going to get the solution of iron sulfate, and also along with that copper deposition will take place on iron. That is the reason the color of iron rod changes, and also copper sulfate solution also changes. Iron rod will get the deposition of copper on it, and copper sulfate solution, actually its color is blue. Slowly it converts into green color because of the formation of iron sulfate. So this is the reason why the color of copper sulfate solution changes.